good afternoon to all of you guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how Russia looks like during winter and with snowstorm. Since we had a snowstorm last few days, that's why I'm doing this content as my vlog. But before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I'm uploaded a new videos. Are you wondering why there's a lot of snow in the other part of the world? Are you asking yourself as well why it's impossible to have a snow in the other part of Asia? How does snow forms? What are good and bad benefits of the snow? If you want to know the answer, please don't skip this video and watch till the end because this is the right video for you. So, what's snowstorm by the way? Snowstorm is a heavy fall of snow, usually when there is also a strong wind blowing at the same time. Is a snowstorm is dangerous? Absolutely yes. Just simply because snowstorm create a high risk of accident, hypothermia, frostbite, carbon monoxide poisoning, and heart attack from overexertion. A snowstorm can bring blizzard, can bring extreme cold, freezing rain, snow, ice, and high winds. If winter is coming, some other people were very excited because snow makes us fun, and the surroundings filled with white crystals, and they called it snow. What is snow, by the way? Snow is a type of precipitation, which means a frozen droplets of water in the upper atmosphere that fall to the ground in the form of snowflakes. Have you ever noticed that when the snowflakes falling on your palm, it has a different shapes? So now, here are the different types of snow. Number 1, bronze star, plate, dendrite, stellar plate, stellar, star, and triangular. Are you curious or there's something asking on your mind? How does snow forms? Snow forms as a result of freezing water drops in the upper atmosphere. The freezing drops of water became ice crystals. Then these crystals collided and connected with each other, and when they became larger and heavier, then in the air they could no longer hold back, but fell to the form of snowflakes on the ground. Falling snowflakes begin to cover the ground until it melts, it becomes water, and the water will evaporate, then condensate, then precipitate, and this is the life cycle of the snow. I remember when I was young, someone asked me why there is no snow in the Philippines. It is impossible to have snow in the Philippines because our country is located on the equator or the invisible horizontal line in the central part of the world. The weather in this part of the earth is usually hot and there is a rainy season all year round. But there is no winter in the Philippines because it gets enough and direct heat from the sun. Philippines is tropical country, that's why impossible to have snow, and we have only 2 types of seasons, and these are rainy and summer. Aside from that, one thing that we need to know, planet Earth revolves around its own axis, and day and night are possible. But axis of Earth is not straight from bottom to top, as it is slightly tilted 23.5 degrees. The tilted position of our planet, receiving the same amount of heat every part of the globe throughout the year cycle of the Earth to the Sun. This is why Philippines had 2 different seasons only. Cold weather has always been notorious for bringing about sickness and ailments. But despite what you've been told about the gloom winter delivers, cold weather can actually be really good for our health according to specialists. Here are good benefits that we can get not only for our health, but for our surroundings as well. Number 1, it may help you burn off calories because exercising in cold weather or even shivering while on the short walk can burn extra calories. Number 2, it can help you fight off infections because we might be susceptible to colds in winter time when your immune system adapts to cold environments. Its ability to fight off infection and get stronger. Number 3, it can help you get a better sleep. So many studies have proven that sleeping in a cold room can improve your quality of sleep and help you get to sleep quicker. Number 4, it can improve your brain function. You might feel a little sluggish at times during winter, but research shows that cold weather may boost your brain activity and get you thinking clearly. Number 5, winter can give us good heart function. Because when we are exercising in the cold air, your hearts work double time to keep us warm. Though, be cautious in the winter if you are suffering from heart disease. Number 6. Snow in the winter means easier gardening in the spring because when snow covers the ground and when it melts, it provided a layer of insulation to protect the bulbs and roots of the plants. Number 7. Snow is fun and makes the surroundings beautiful. Even if winter isn't your favorite season, you have to admit that snow is a little exciting. It turns the every world into a magical wonderland. Aside from that, when the snow covers the surrounding, it makes beautiful. While cold weather can be beneficial to our health, it can also increase your chances of getting sick and bring health risks with it. We all know that colds and flu are seems to be everywhere during winter months. And this time, let us tackle as well the health risks of snow, and here are they. Number 1, heart problems. Cold weather can increase you a heart attack. When you're outside in the cold, your heart works harder to keep you warm, leading to increase your heart rate and blood pressure. If you aren't used to regular exercise, extraneous activities like shoveling snow may put you at risk to heart attack. Number 2, dry skin and mucous membrane. These are common in the winter. Winter air is quite dry and that can also suck a moisture out of your body. Number 3, balance. When it's cold outside, there's bound to be ice, which means more chances of falling and getting injured. Older people are more at risk of injury, but anyone can get hurt if they slip on icy sidewalk or stairs. Number 4, being sedentary. When cold weather goes on and on, you may end up binge watching television for days or weeks. This kind of sedentary behavior can increase your risk of obesity, heart disease, and other health issues. Number 5, loading up on snack foods. When the cold weather sets in, you may find yourself craving salty, sweet, or fat-filled comforts food as your body tries to keep itself warm. Number 6, hypothermia. This condition occurs when your body temperature drops below 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. This results from your body losing more heat than it can make, such as when you're exposed to cold or water. Hypothermia can show up as shivering, clumsiness, confusion, tiredness, or urinating more than usual. Number 7, frostbitten skin. It looks white or gray and can feel hard or waxy. You may also have trouble moving your body. In severe cases, the skin will turn black.